Hi, today I'm for the Realme C55 and I'll show you how to turn on always on display option on this device. So unfortunately we have now installed by default the AOD option. That's why we should get the application from the Play Store, and now in the search we'll enter the Muviz Edge. So now just tap here to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application will download in and then installing on your device. So after that, tap to open and tap to draw over apps. Now scroll down and find here Muviz Edge, click to the swatcher and go back twice to the application. Tap here to AOD option and select one from these available tabs. Click to apply. Now let's just lock the device. And we can see that the always on display option successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.